Hey guys, Rookie Lock here, back once again. I hope everyone's having a great day as always. And today I think I'm gonna pick Challenge Lock. Um, I know, actually most of you guys probably know that kind of more interested in picking really cool stock locks or some high security locks, the ones I'm actually able to to pick into. But I got to start picking some challenge locks again. I just haven't had any for quite some time, and the two that I do have are quite tough ones, so I haven't gotten them on camera yet. But just got this package from Daz about a week ago, and there's a few challenge locks in it. So I think I'm going to start with this one. I believe it's Brian Grant. This camera looks really bright through the viewfinder here, but usually when I edit it, it ends up being really dark. So I'm gonna try this this exposure setting for today. But yeah, I'm gonna try and pick this this Brian Grant here. It's looks like a wide open keyway, but it is a Schlage keyway. It's just it's kind of funny, the warding only starts inside the keyway. Seen this before on a few locks, but might be a bit more wide open than a regular Schlage keyway, but yeah, works really good, and I'm going to try and get into it. Actually, for complete transparency's sake, I have picked this once. Actually, I picked it right after I opened that package, but I haven't picked for about a week, so we'll see what we can do. Finally fixed my vise, or jury-rigged my vise, I guess you could call it. But yeah, 50 thousandths top of keyway, a little loose, and I'm going to use my my regular hook that I use. Actually working on some more hooks for myself right now. Just finished a bunch that are going out to Paul soon. Oh wow, we dropped into a fall set after picking 3, and I think this is a 5-pinner, 3 and 5. Counter rotation on 2. Might be something hiding right behind the tension wrench there. Hard to get at. 4, I believe. And a bit on 5. It almost feels like my pick is going... Oh, there we go, and we're open. Wow, that was a quick one. But I think I'm going to take it. I was just about to say, it feels like my pick was going between the pin and the warding there. It might be possible. But yeah, that was a quick one, but I mean, sometimes I feel bad when I pop something open really quick. People might think it's a fluke, or that I was cheating or something, but I think I'm just going to take this one instead of picking it again. Yeah, I can't help but kind of, I don't know, I kind of feel bad when I pop something open really quick that someone put a lot of work into, but I guess it happens. And I'm not ready at all. I don't have a shim out or anything, but we do have time on our side, so... And again, I hope this video isn't too bright with the exposure, but like I said, it usually darkens up once I get it into my editing program. Okay, shim. have to grab one out of my shim. Not shim, no shim in there. I don't know why. Oh yeah, there is. Just about to say, I don't know why I wrote that on there. Guess I doubled it up as pin storage as well. Thanks again for the shims, Paul. I didn't have any really good ones like this. I had some crappy shim stock and some security tag ones, which were alright, but nothing like the real thing, right? Pick clockwise. I'm going to have to leave it that way. Don't think I'm going to need, or I don't think I'm going to use the key for the gutting, by the way. There's the key. And a follower. Just go for it, I guess. Refocus. Oh, I don't want to do that. Okay, well, there might not be any T-pins, but it felt like there was, because construction holes are present. There's where those deep faucets came from. Nice relief cuts on the core there. Let's see what we got here. Standard. 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 Well, I don't feel so bad for popping it open real quick now. All standards on the bottom. And let's see what we got up top. I gotta get used to really keeping an eye on which way pins come out, because when you pick stock or high security, it's pretty evident the way that the pin was supposed to be. Oh wow. Let me see if I can get a focus on that. That's a... Come on, you piece of crap camera. That's a commercial old style ASA pin. Pretty damn sure. I need some of those. For a lock I have with deep countermilling at Twin 6000 with deep countermilling, but it only has the regular or the new style drivers. There's just a regular spool. We'll get these springs out, I guess, since that's what everyone else. Actually, now that I'm looking at this, I'm gonna leave the springs in because you can see the top cap there off to the side, and come on. Oh, this camera really does not focus well. Yeah, you can see the top cap off the side, and the springs are all in contact with the tape, so I think we're going to leave those springs in. Don't want to screw anything up. Number 3 just barely broke, and it is a serrated. Okay. All commercial pins so far. I really don't feel so bad. Another spool. I love picking stuff like this, though. Okay. Going from the other side for number 5. Damn, another ASA. Old style gin bottle. Like I said, if anyone's got a stash of those, I could really use some. But yeah, these are really long. So yeah, that's what we have in, let's see here. Brian Garant. Wow, this, this camera bugs the hell out of me. It's so dumb. The USA Challenge, okay, cool. That was really fun to pick, to be honest. I like a lock with commercial pins in it. Right on, Brian. Thanks for pinning this up, man. And who sent this to me? Daz, thanks for sending it my way. Hopefully I can try to get into some of yours next. Alright, guys. As always, don't give lock pickers a bad name. Don't pick locks that you don't own or have permission to pick. And as always, have a great day. Take care. See you on the next one, guys. Hey, guys. Just a quick addendum here. I'm putting Brian's lock back together, and I realized we really didn't take a look at the core. Well, besides when we were taking it apart. But there's no threading. Oh, forgot to lock the exposure. That's why it's going all crazy. No threading, just some pretty deep relief cuts there. And those were in same chambers as the spools. So there we go. That's it for the USA Challenge. Alright guys, take care. See you in the next one.